Hello, everyone. Greetings from FGT UK. Well, many years ago, I received a phone call and a message from a friend, and I was asked to see if I was willing to accommodate a very young lady who was on her way to becoming a medical doctor, and she wanted to try out um, hospitals here in the UK. And I was told that this woman, this young lady, was a hard-working lady, although I didn't know her. And of course, because I knew this other doctor who is a mutual friend of ours, and I said yes to her. Okay, and we didn't know each other then, and I said yes, go ahead, send her to the UK, and we would accommodate for this lady. And this turned out to be Dr. Agnes, who we now know is a medical doctor. And soon enough, when Agnes started staying and conversing with me, I shared the gospel and I shared what we do in the church at the time. And not long after that, I introduced her to the church and I brought her to the office and introduced her to evangelism explosion. And before I know it, and before we both knew it, I saw myself baptizing her, invited her to come to our camp. I water baptized Agnes, and the rest is history. And when she returned to the Philippines, I then advised her to find a church, a good church. And soon after that, every time I went for my little vacation, or when I tried to see our other churches in the Philippines, I would see to it that I would meet up with Francis and Agnes, which was by the time they were already married. And every time, just before we separated our ways, I would see to it, and we would see to it that I would pray for them. And most of these prayer things would take place inside their car. So I would just pray for them and ask the Lord to look after them spiritually. Never did I ask or influence Agnes to do anything for FGT UK at all. I was just a friend to Agnes and Francis until I encouraged them to do Tungling, to go to a short Bible seminary course for 3 months. And of course, as we all know, they did it. And only 2 years ago that I started encouraging them to be open to what the Lord was willing to do or wanting to do for their lives. And of course, that was 2 years ago, and just a year ago, as we all know, we opened FGT Calamba. Today, I want to congratulate Pastor Francis and Dr. Agnes as you celebrate FGT Calamba's first anniversary. I would like to commend you in front of your leaders, and I think Pastor Hong Seng would also be there, for a job well done. You have come a long way, and there's a spirit of excellence in your church. And I'm so glad that you are partnering not only with me, but you're partnering with God. And I know that with hard work and sincerity and sacrifices, FGT Calamba would go a long way. And I want to congratulate both of you because I have seen your labor. I have seen your sacrifices, and I have seen your love for your people. Many congratulations to you, and many congratulations to FGT Calamba. And not to forget, many congratulations to your pioneers, to your leaders in FGT Calamba. I'm so proud to be called a friend of FGT Calamba. Many, many thanks for your hard labor. And I know and I will continue to pray for FGT Calamba. I will continue to pray for Pastor Francis, Dr. Agnes, and the family, that you may always be found working, that you may always be found faithful. Thank you for serving the Almighty Yahweh. Thank you for doing all the hard work. May God richly bless you all, and may you continue to bless many, many more. In Jesus' name, I wish you all the best. See you all soon. Have a good celebration.